Observe these chemical reactions. You will observe that in all these reactions, reactants are more than one, while the product is only one. You can see all the reactants have combined to form one single product. Such reactions are combination reactions. Thus, combination reactions can be defined as reactions in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants. Combination reactions are also called a synthesis reaction or composition reaction. Let us understand the combination reaction through an activity. Take a small amount of calcium oxide or quicklime, which is also known as tuna, in a beaker. Slowly add water to this beaker. You can see the reaction in the beaker. Some new substance is getting formed. The new substance is calcium hydroxide or slaked lime. The chemical equation of the reaction will be quicklime plus water gives slaked lime. As seen in this reaction, calcium oxide and water are reactants which are more than one, combines to form a single product, that is calcium hydroxide. Let us take one more example. Let's burn coal in presence of oxygen. So what happens here? Carbon from the coal combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas. Similarly, we know that water is nothing but a product of combination reaction of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. That is, when a hydrogen molecule combines with an oxygen molecule, a water molecule is formed. So we can say that when two or more substances combine to form a single product, these reactions are called combination reactions. The reaction may take place between a metal and a non-metal, or between two non-metals. Depending on the chemical nature of the reactants, there are three classes of combination reactions. The first one is element plus element gives compound. In this type of combination reaction, two or more elements react with one another to form a single compound. Let's see an example. When solid sulfur reacts with the oxygen present in the atmosphere, it produces sulfur dioxide. Here both the reactants are non-metals. Let's see one more example. Sodium, a silvery white metal, combines with chlorine, a pale yellow-green gas, to form sodium chloride. Here one of the reactants is metal, that is sodium, and the other one is non-metal, that is chlorine. Let's see second type of combination reaction. Compound plus element gives compound. In this case, a compound reacts with an element to form a new compound. For instance, phosphorus trichloride reacts with chlorine gas and forms phosphorus pentachloride. Let's see third type of combination reaction. Compound plus compound gives compound. It is a reaction between two compounds to form a new compound. Let's see an example. Silicon dioxide reacts with calcium oxide to form calcium silicate. So these are the three types of combination reactions. As you know, most of the combination reactions are exothermic in nature because they involve the formation of new bonds, which releases a huge amount of energy in the form of heat. Let's see an example. Let's recall the activity where calcium oxide reacted with water. You observe that heat was released, which made the beaker warm. Such reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of products are called exothermic reactions. We will see in due course that during various experiments, either the heat is released or absorbed. If heat is released, it is an exothermic reaction, and if the heat gets absorbed, it is an endothermic reaction. Let us see some examples of exothermic reactions. While burning natural gas in presence of oxygen, a large amount of heat energy is produced along with the formation of carbon dioxide. Hence, it is an exothermic reaction. Do you know that Respiration is also a type of chemical reaction. That too an exothermic reaction? Yes, it is. The food that we eat is broken down into simpler substances like glucose, carbohydrates, and fat, etc. The glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of our body and provides energy, which keeps us alive by the process of respiration. Thus, respiration is an exothermic reaction. Now, you need to understand that whichever reaction it is produced is called an exothermic reaction. It may or may not be a combination reaction. On the other hand, the chemical reactions which absorb heat are called endothermic reactions, about which we will learn later.